Facebook is one of the best platforms to promote your videos, because just like YouTube, a lot of people flood that particular platform every single day. And if you're able to promote your videos or your content on that platform, just know that you are on your way to going viral. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to promote my video on Facebook via Facebook ad without paying a single dime. Sounds interesting, right? Yes. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amigos Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can also get this amazing information. Now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into the purpose of today's video. In my quest for making my videos go viral, I have tried so many ways, so many ways, but the reason I picked interest in Facebook ad was because I got to find out that with just 2,000 naira, you can promote your video on Facebook. Yes, if you don't know or if you're hearing it for the first time, it is true. With just 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira, you can actually set an ad running. Okay, Facebook has that, unlike YouTube, where the minimum amount you have to spend to run an ad is $100. So on Facebook, you spend as you can. Okay, so they have all those different packages. So I was trying to run this ad for a particular video, because this video is a video that, you know, that I talked about how you can browse the internet for free, and I felt that this video is a video that is worthy of going viral. So I tried every possible means to make sure I promote this particular video, and I tried. And before that time, I didn't know how to run Facebook ad. There was nobody to teach me or show me or, you know, put me through. So I tried by myself, and, you know, when it got to the payment part, I didn't know how to complete it because I was trying to use my Android iPhone to place this ad as at that time, and it was asking me for Apple ID and all of those stuff. So I just left the ad and I went to try with my iPhone. And when I got to the part of payments, I wanted to do it through bank transfer. Okay, but when I got to my bank app, I found out that the option of that bank that Meta gave me to pay through was not on any of the options. So I left the ad and said I was going to find out more on how to do it. But I think about after 10 hours or after some hours that same day, I got a mail from Meta telling me that my ad is set or running. So I'm going to walk you through that particular video I boosted on Facebook, and I will show you all the analytics of that video so you can also see and tell me if the ad was running or not, because I don't seem to understand. But when I placed the ad, all the function of a content that is boosted was showing on this particular video. So I will run through that video's analytics now and show you so that you can also see and tell me if the ad was actually approved. Before we go to the analytics of this video, there is something I want you to do for me. So on X, some of my friends said it's a bad idea to post your video link on X. If you do it, your account might risk getting suspended. So I don't know if it's the same thing on Facebook. Okay, even though I see people posting a YouTube video link on their Facebook accounts, I really want to be on the safe side. So do you think it's a good idea for me to post my Facebook video link on Facebook and then boost it? If it's a bad idea, please tell me so I can stop doing it and maybe devise another way of doing it so my Facebook account doesn't get any problem, because that account is huge. Like, I have over 5,000 followers on Facebook. So if that account gets suspended or anything, it's going to really pay me. That's like my very first Facebook account. Okay, so just leave me leave me something, a reply on the comment section. Now to the analytic of the first ad I boosted, because I've boosted I've boosted two videos. In fact, one of the videos I boosted it twice. So now this is the analytic of the video. So you can check your own video and tell me if it's showing like this. like your video that is not boosted, because this ad thing this is my first time, I don't really understand it. So check it and tell me if it's different from your normal post you post on Facebook, because this one is a boosted post even though I didn't pay for it. So it's giving me who views my content. So it's giving me all the ages range. You can see that there is 25 to 34, 35 to 44 others, okay, then 65 plus. Then how people find this my video, you can see that feed, there is feed through my feed 87, then my profile 10%, then others 3, then groups 0. Okay, I know that other videos don't show this way, so let me know if it's showing like that in your own content on Facebook. Now this is the analytic of the recent one I just boosted some days back. Is this video, this PI 2FA video that I posted. So I tried to post it on Facebook because I felt this post too, this video is worthy of going viral, so I posted it. So this is the analytic of it. You can see followers 85%, non-followers 15%, then views, followers, organic versus ad is 131. So it gave me tips for better performance. And then the reactions, comments, reactions 3, comments 2. Then age and gender is not yet available because I just did this one recently. Then all those information in the previous ad is not showing here because, like I said, this ad I just boosted it. Then the how viewers find the content, feed is 3%, my profile 15%, others 2%, groups 0. So feed is showing it more, I think because it is boosted. But from the results of this ad reports that I've given you, do you think that this particular ad is actually boosted? Because if it's boosted, I think we're supposed to be getting more views, okay, like people, because my YouTube link is also, my YouTube channel is also linked to my Facebook. So I think if this ad is actually boosted, I'm supposed to be getting more views from even the post on Facebook. So what do you think? Do you think that this ad is boosted or not? Because Facebook sends me a message that this ad is actually approved and running, okay, but from the result I'm seeing here, I don't think it is running. So let me know if you have boosted a post, a Facebook post or a YouTube video. You have set an ad, like you've run an ad for your Facebook, you've promoted your Facebook video on YouTube, you've promoted your YouTube video on Facebook. Let me know the results you got. So if you have promoted a YouTube video before on Facebook, let me know if this result is tallying, if it's correct, because I don't really get. This is really discouraging me from putting money in running a Facebook ad, because this result is not encouraging at all. And if you know how to even run the Facebook ad properly, let me know, because I'm scared that if I put money to run this ad, I might not even get the results that I'm expecting. Okay, if you find this video interesting, or if you want to also boost this, if you want to also do this thing that I did, that I don't know if it's YouTube and Facebook promotion, I cannot explain it here, right? But I will leave my Telegram channel link on the description box of this video. You can send me a message there and say you want to try this particular thing I tried out to see if it will work for you. If you got value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this information. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one.